morning, Gap Adventure, Jignesh speaking. How can I help you? Yeah, sure. We are situated at 461 Oakley Boulevard. It is right behind the Humber College. And you can see the no fridge at the corner. Okay. If you find any difficulty, then please call me. You're welcome. Bye. See you soon. Come in, please. Hello, Miss Amanda.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
I'm fine. Please have a seat.
Thanks.
My name is Jignesh Patel, and I am a sales representative of here.
Okay.
I am really sorry for the inconvenience
No, it wasn't that bad.
because there was some construction is going on. Therefore, we made our entrance at the back door.
Oh, that wasn't that much big problem because it's just that I'm not familiar with this area, so I kind of got lost.
Okay, Miss Aman. I'll give you some brief information about my company.
Okay.
The Gap Adventure is one of the oldest travel company in North America with more than 100,000 customers. And every year, 10,000 customers build their memory with Gap Adventure.
That's great. That's nice to know. Actually, I know about Gap Adventure because I had my holiday with my family at Africa in 2006, I guess. If I'm not mistaken.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's great. How was your trip?
It was indeed memorable. Very nice.
Wow, I'm glad to know that.
Thank you.
So tell me, Miss Aman, how may I help you for today?
Today, my purpose is special. I'm planning for my honeymoon.
Congratulations, Miss Aman.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. So have you decided any particular place, Miss Aman?
No, I have no idea where I want to go,
Okay.
but it has to be romantic.
Okay. For how long are you planning to go, Miss Aman?
I guess I can only go maximum for 10 to 14 days.
10 to
Yeah,
14
because
days.
my other half can only get 2 weeks off from the work.
Okay, no problem. And could you tell me what type of destination are you interested in?
Okay. We both like a place which is historical, should have ancient monuments. We like to spend time with that, and shopping, and yeah, romantic.
Yes, yeah. And could you tell me which type of activities do you like on your holiday on your trip?
Okay. The place should be surrounded by nature, so nothing so fast when I go away from here. Some sightseeing, somewhat adventurous because my other half is adventurous, and shopping for me. And yeah, as long as it's nice and romantic.
Interesting. Have you ever been to Europe, Miss Aman?
No, but I have heard a lot about it.
Indeed, it is a really amazing destination, and as per your interest, you will find different romantic places over there. And there are historical monuments and Roman culture.
Yeah.
And also, as per your interest, shopping is it is a very famous for shopping.
Yeah, you're right actually. It sounds good.
How about cruising, Miss Aman?
Cruise? No.
Have you ever been on cruise?
Cruise? No.
Okay. No, because nowadays cruising is very popular among the tourists,
Okay.
and everybody like to go on cruise.
Alright.
And I'm sure that it's gonna be more memorable experience for you because you never been on cruising. That's why.
Could you please explain further because
Yes.
I have never been on cruise and I don't know how it's gonna be.
Yes, sure. I'll give you the information. You can see this is the Princess Cruise brochure.
Okay.
It will give you more information about it. It offers us so many destinations throughout the world like Asia, Africa, India, Australia, New Zealand, and Europe. And also, as you are first cruiser, and you will see the review of the first time cruiser. So which will give you more information about the cruising.
Can you just go through?
Yeah, sure. And also you can see the different packages.
Alright.
Like here you can see this is a 7 days package to Euro.
Uh-huh.
This is 10 days package to Euro. This is a Mexican package,
Alright.
7 days to Mexico.
Now I have been Mexico, now Mexico. But could you please explain me more about the package to Rome?
Yeah, sure. Great choice. It is a 10 days package
Okay.
and it will take you to 5 different destinations
Alright.
like Rome, Florence, Venice, Istanbul and Barcelona.
Wow.
And you will get a chance to visit all of them in one package.
Yeah, that's great. Yeah.
And I'm sure that if you choose a cruise, you don't need to worry about anything because everything will be taken care by cruise company.
Like?
Like if you choose this package, then it offers different type of features and benefits to you. Like I'll show you the benefit features about the package. You can see the amazing. You will get amazing food and dining option.
All right.
I'll show you the picture about
So
the
I
dining.
heard that it would be only fine dining, so it's nothing like that anymore.
No, you will get like casual dining,
Wow.
traditional dining option are also available on board, and also like different type of restaurants are available. Like
Alright.
if you don't like Chinese food,
Uh-huh.
then there are Indian restaurant, Caribbean restaurant, Mexican restaurant, and Punjabi restaurant also available.
Okay.
So you can enjoy different type of
Wow,
food.
yeah. So tempting.
Yeah, and also I'll show you the different type of onboard activities, amazing onboard activities.
Okay.
You can see the different onboard activities like casino, spa. Spa will give you more relaxation on your trip.
Okay,
And
yeah.
like people are gambling or in casino. And you can see the people are various type of couple games.
Oh yeah.
Which it will give you more benefits. Like you will make your trip memorable with different type of people, with new people. You make a different new contact with new people, and also it's become a more enjoyable and memorable experience for you for a lifetime.
Interesting.
And also the main feature of this package is the SOAR excursion.
Okay.
As per your interest, you will get definitely cover all this. Like it's cover different city tours,
Okay.
sightseeing,
Wow.
and as per your husband's interest, is include adventurous activities
Wow.
like snorkeling. I'll show you the picture about the people are whale watching on cruise.
Oh my god.
You can see the people are whale watching.
Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, he would love to do that.
Yeah, it's really amazing.
Okay. Then diving and all that.
Yeah.
Yeah, he would love that. Yeah.
So it's cover all your interests.
Yeah, I cannot wait to go there, honestly.
So shall we proceed for booking?
No, not quite yet. Tell me how much it's gonna cost me.
It's only $2,000, Miss Amma.
Oh, oh. Do you know what, Jignesh? It's kind of little bit exceeding my budget. I think I thought of
Okay.
somewhere 15 to 1800 or something.
Okay.
Just little bit.
Okay, no problem. I'll show you. Okay, let's put it this way. If you plan your budget for $1,500, then you will be paying extra for different facilities like food, travel insurance, accommodation, and the onboard activities. But if you are paying extra, then it's gonna be more than double, like more than $3,000.
Okay.
It's exceeding your budget, and also this is only one-time investment. If you want to spend only one time, then you have to spend only for your beverages and shopping.
So they don't sell beverages like
Yeah.
that. Okay, yeah, fair enough.
And for your satisfaction, I'll show you the chart which will give you more clear idea about the about the pricing. Yeah, you can see this is a different tour company, your travel company. They also selling the same product, but the price is the Jet Tours selling this product in $2,700, and the Trek Holidays selling this product in $3,000.
Okay.
And they also selling 10 to 20% discount to customer. But however, you can compare their price to my price.
Okay.
I'll provide only $2,000, and you'll get a 35% discount on insurance.
Okay, so I get 35.
Yeah, I'm sure nobody can beat my price in this town.
Oh yeah, I trust you for that because I guess I have so many holidays from you guys. Yeah.
If you're satisfied with the price, then can we start to can we proceed to booking?
I'll definitely love to go for it, but I have one more question.
Yeah, sure, no problem.
I heard that cruising is most likely for senior citizen people and it's quite boring for youngsters. It's not.
No, there are so many myths about cruising like this.
Okay.
But nowadays, this concept is totally changed.
Okay.
Because nowadays different type of packages are available in market, and different type of packages, and it's also include different type of activities as per a group of people. Like if it is youngster people, then the activities is beyond like youngsters, for youngsters. Even the old age people, then is as per their interest.
Okay.
You know, and I'll show you the chart which will give you more clear idea about the cruisers. Like in 2010 last year, more than 50 to 55% travel by cruise.
Okay.
And among them 35 to 50%, 35 to 40% they are youngsters and couples.
Oh my god, that's new.
So it's a real statistic which will give you more idea about how people prefer cruise than the other tours. Like,
oh my god, that's new, yeah.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. Okay, yeah.
Do you have any further questions about this package, Ms. Amma?
I think you have answered all my queries.
So can I proceed to book this
Sure,
package?
let's go for it.
Thank you. Okay. Then to start with, this is a personal information form. Could you fill it out for me, please, Ms. Amma?
It has to be as per my passport.
Yeah,
right?
sure. Okay, thank you. How do you like to pay, Ms. Amma?
Do you accept Visa?
Yeah, sure.
Thank God. That's
Thank
Visa.
you. There you go. I printed out the receipt for you.
Uh-huh.
This is your receipt, and can I want your signature at the bottom, please, in the receipt, please. Could you sign it for me?
Yep. So keep the confirmation letter with me.
Yeah, you can keep the receipt, and I'll give you the confirmation later.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the confirmation letter for you. Could you check it for all the details are correct, spelled correctly, and everything in same date, and everything is okay.
Sure. Yeah, it all seems perfect. Here you go.
Thank you. I'll put it in the folder please for you. Do you have any further? If you have any further questions about this package, then please call me, Ms. Aman. Sorry.
Definitely, because I'm just hoping now that my other half will like my surprise.
He will share. I'm sure that he will, because it's an amazing destination. You don't need to worry about it.
I hope so. Let's hope for the
Okay,
best.
Ms. Aman.
Thank you. Thank
And,
you so much, Jignesh.
You're welcome. And I forget to tell you, Ms. Aman. And you may receive a call or an email after 1 month when you return from your trip
Okay.
about how was your experience and how was our services.
Definitely. I'll be very happy to give you a review about that.
Okay, thank you very much, Ms.
Thank you
Aman.
so much,
Wish you a
Jignesh.
happy journey. Bye.
Thank
See
you
you
so
again.
much.
You're
Thanks.
welcome.
Bye-bye.